Hello and welcome to Prakash Academy. Today we are going to do class 8 exercise 2.1, that is linear equation. Basics we have done in the last class. So still if you have doubt in the basics, you can see the old video. Now we will do the questions one by one. So from 2.1, the first question is x minus 2 equal 7. So what I am going to do, we have to find the value of x. I told you in the last video, I will repeat it again. What I am going to do, I will keep my variable on the left hand side and constant on the right hand side of the equal sign. So this is variable, this is constant, this is also constant. So x is the variable I will keep on the left hand side. This 7 is already on the right hand side. This minus 2 will go on the right. It will be plus 2. So x equal to 9. So for the first question, the value of x equal 9. Second question is y plus 3 equal 10. So y is going to be 10. This plus will come this side. This plus 3 will come this side. So minus 3. So y equal 7. So for the second question, the value of y equal 7. Now, question number 3. 6 equal z plus 2. Now, z is on the right hand side. So it's okay. You can keep on the right hand side. What we do basically, if I am taking the variables on the left hand side, then all the variables will come on the left hand side and all the constant will go on the right hand side. It means equal sign this is, so variable on the left, constant on the right, or constant on the left than the variable on the right. 6 is the constant, that is 6. Equal sign. Now this plus 2 from the right hand side, it will come on the left hand side. Then 6 minus 2 and equal on the right hand side, say we have 6 minus 2 equal 4 equal z. It means the value of z equal 4. For the third question, the answer is z equal 4. Now, question number 4, 3 by 7 plus x equal 17 by 7. So x I will keep on the left hand side. On the right hand side, 17 by 7 we have, and this 3 by 7 plus, because no symbol means plus. Now when it will go on the right hand side, it will be minus 3 by 7. Now what we got? We got a like fraction. Like fraction means when the denominator is equal, it's a like. 7, it's a like fraction. So x equal 17 minus 3 by 7. So 17 minus 3, I got 14 by 7. 7 ones are, 7 twos are, x equal 2. So for the fourth question, the value of x equal 2. Question number 5. 6x equal 12. 6x means what? Make it easy. 6 into x, 6x. It means 6 into x equal 12. Directly also we can do, but I will make it easy. Now, we know x will be on the left hand side, that is 12. This is with x with the multiplication symbol. Now when this 6 will go on the right hand side, it will be divided. Now 6 ones are, 6 twos are, x equal 2. So for the question number 5, the value of x equal 2. Question number 6. T by 5 equal 10. So 10 means what? If we don't have anything on the place of denominator, so it means it's 1. I told you in the last video, now I'm going to say once again, if equal sign we have, just before the equal, one fraction we have, after equal, if one fraction we have, then we do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means t into 1 equal now 10 into 5. So t into 1, any number multiplied with 1 is the number itself. So t into 1 is equal to t and 10 into 5 is equal 50. So for question number 6, the value of t equal 50. Question number 7. 2x by 3 equal 18. So again 18 means 18 by 1. Now I am going to do again cross multiply. 2x into 1, so I can write 2x and I will write 18 into 3. No need to simplify. Why? Because 2 I have, and when this 2 will go on the right hand side, it will be divided. 18 into 3, this 2 is with multiplication symbol. When it will go on the right hand side, it will divide. 1s are 9s are 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So x equal 9 into 3, that is 27. So for the question number 7, the value of x equal 27. Question number 8. 1.6 equal y by 1.5. Again, nothing means if you want to write it as 1, you can write or leave it. Now y into 1. Y into 1 is equal to y. 1.6 into 1.5. So we'll do the multiplication. 1.6 into 1.5. So 16 5s are 8 0. This place will be blank, and 16 1s are 16. You got 0, 8 plus 6 14, 1 carrying 1 plus 1 2. And after decimal, 1 2 number we have, so 1 2. Put a decimal, it means I got 2.40. So y equal 2.40, or this also I can write it as 2.4. So for the question number 8, the value of y equal 2.40 or 2.4. Question number 9. 7x minus 9 equal 16. So 7x will be on the left hand side. On the right hand side, already 16 I have. This minus 9, when it will go on the right hand side, it will be plus. Now 7x equal 16 plus 9, that is 25. So x will be 25 by 7. Why? Because 7 into x. This 7 is with x with the multiplication symbol. When it will go on the right hand side, it will be division. So x equal 25 by 7. So for the answer of question number 9, x equal 25 by 7. Next question, question number 10. 14y minus 8 equal 13. So I will keep 14y on the left hand side, and 13 is already on the right hand side. This minus 8 will come this side, so plus 8. Now 14y equal 13 plus 8, that is 21. So y equal 21 by 14. This 14 will go on the right hand side, it will be divided. Now 7 2s are, 7 3s are. So y equal 3 by 2. So for the question number 10, the value of y equal 3 by 2. Next question. 17 plus 60 equal 9. 6p I will keep on the left hand side. 9 already we have on the right hand side. This 17 will go on the right hand side. It will be minus 17. Now 6p. Now a number is plus and the other number is minus. So what we do? The bigger number minus a smaller number. Then 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. And the greater number having minus symbol, so it will be minus 8. Then p equal minus 8. This 6 will come this side. Divide. 2 3s are 2 fours are. Then P equal minus 4 by 3. So for question number 11, the value of P equal minus 4 by 3. Now, the last question of exercise 2.1, that is x by 3 plus 1 equals 7 by 15. So x by 3 will be on the left hand side, that is 7 by 15. This plus will come this side, so minus 1. And minus 1 I can write minus 1 by 1. Now again, it's not a like fraction, so I have to convert it as a like fraction. So 15 and 1. I told you in the last video also, if we have two numbers like 1 and any other number, so LCM of these two numbers is the other number. Like LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. So here LCM of 1 and 15 is 15. So this I have to multiply with 15 and this also multiply with 15. So I got x by 3 equals 7 by 15 minus 15 by 15. Now I got a like term. So x by 3, 7 minus 15 by 15. So I got x by 3 equal, again 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Then big minus is small. 15 minus 7, 8. And the greater number having minus symbol, so minus 8. So minus 8 by 15. So I got x by 3 equal minus 8 by 15. So you can just copy it, because I am going to erase it. We have to continue some more steps. So you just copy it. So now again I am going to do cross multiply. So x into 15 equal this into this, minus 8 into 3. Now I have to find the value of x. So minus 8 into 3, this 15 will come this side. So divide. Now 3 ones are and 3 fives are. So I got x equal minus 8 into 1 is minus 8 and divide by 5. So for the question number 12, the value of x equal minus 8 for 8 by 5. So we did exercise 2.1 class 8 NCERT textbook. So if you like the video, you can just like it, subscribe the channel, and you can also share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.